So today we're going to run through how a EasyFit fitting or a push fit fitting works, how to install a pipe, how to remove a pipe, and how to cut a pipe to make sure that it fits into the fitting correctly. So here, obviously we have these fittings in a number of different fitting types: elbows, screws, push, all these different types. What I've done here is I have just an adapter, so you can see this is our 1/4 inch or 6mm pipe, and this is our 3/8 inch pipe. So we're going to demonstrate with a slightly larger pipe just so it's easier to see, but whichever size pipe you have, it will work exactly the same way. So what you do, the fittings start out just like this. You'll see there's a small round loose bit at the end. This is what actually holds your pipe into the fitting. And then if we remove this very gently, you'll see that inside there is a black O-ring, and that black O-ring is what does the heavy lifting of this fitting, and that's actually what seals your pipe against the fitting. So if you find that you aren't getting 100% seal, it's generally that the pipe is not pushed all the way past that black O-ring. So to demonstrate, here we'll take a piece of pipe. So just so that you can see this pipe that we have here, I'm going to take this end. This is generally not what you want. You'd like your pipe to be as flat and as clean cut as possible. So I'm going to take just a box cutter or a knife, or you can even use a pair of scissors, and you'd like to sort of wiggle it back and forth so that it is a clean end, just like that. So if you have that on your pipe, that's ideally what you're looking for, as flat as possible. We can even trim off this extra little bit, because that means that it's going to push through past the O-ring, and the risk of doing damage to the O-ring is minimal. You can then take this fitting, you place it into the fitting just like that, and you get a firm push. You'll feel it almost feels like it's clicking in. Once that is sealed, then you'll see that you aren't able to pull the pipe out, but again, you also can't push it in any further. It's then got this small little tab. You can use the blue C-clip that you will receive with your fitting generally, and just push it into that gap. All that does is that prevents the fitting from accidentally disengaging. Again, once the fitting is under pressure, the chance of that happening is close to zero. But if you want to add that as an extra safety measure, you can. If you then want to remove your pipe, you remove your C-clip. Just again, keep in mind the C-clip doesn't seal the fitting. It can operate perfectly fine without the C-clip. And if your fitting is leaking, it's not because of the C-clip, it is because the pipe isn't into your fitting correctly. Then to remove the pipe, you push this towards the fitting, and you can then very easily just remove the pipe with an easy pull. And there you have it. Like I said, it's exactly the same with the other smaller side. Here we have the C-clip of a smaller size fitting, and very simply, if the pipe is in, you can clip it in like that, unclip it, and then again you just push it towards the fitting to release, and when the pipe is in, you'll see that it will stand away from the fitting. Easy as that.